Yes, this is our folding flap stay. Yeah. Also, oh, hello Paul. Can you see here? Yes. This is folding flap stay. Yeah. This one is also good packing, right? You can see this is two cover and two cover with white or gray tube, and this one is lift body, also have two, and this two is anti-pinch hinge. It can protect your hands. And later I can introduce details. And this two is base for install the lift body. And this one is installation. Yeah, you can see installation details with details about attention or adjustment attention or details here. And it has three installation cards. It's very easy for install, same as last one. Okay. For this one, it's durable. Also have SGS test to confirm the quality. You can see the SGS test. 你放27的第一。
我在后面。
哦，你放的是图片吧？
对。
你放一个那个视频一。Yeah. This is the quality confirm approval. Yes, pass SGS test. You can see here. Test fold and unfold the sample with 6 circles per minute. For total 80. You can see 80,000 circles. Yes, 6 circles at 1 minute for total 30,000 circles. Yes, very good quality and have long serve life. 颜色灰色和白色，我讲了。Okay, now another advantage is for this anti-pinch hinge. Yes, for this anti-pinch design, guarantee the security and reliability. The panel will sprung open when the fingers like this. Yes, when your finger get caught in the door, the panel will sprung open. So it's very safe, security and reliability, right? Okay. And another function, excellent soft function for closing or opening. Yeah, when you open the cabinet, it's both soft clothing. Yes.